Welcome to the second lesson of my Navi tutorial. Today we will be focusing on subject and object in sentences. The text is a first-person narration of a hunting incident. But first you're going to need to know some vocabulary words. First we are going to do the nouns. There is only one new noun that is essential to understanding this lesson, and that word is the word for thanator, which is palulukan. Now for the verbs. There are four of them. Taron, to hunt. Fewi, to chase. Tul, to run. And finally, yom, to eat. Think that's the end of it? No, it isn't. There's one last word, which is tafral, which is therefore. Replay the vocabulary section of the video to soak the words up. If you're done, let's move on to the text. Oel palulukanit taron. Ngal neteng palulukanit taron. Oengal tafral palulukanit taron. Palulukanil oengit fewi. Oeng tul. Palulukanit neteng tul. Palulukanil ngat yom. Palulukanil oeti keyom. What's with the big jaw drop on your face? You see our words being spelled differently. In fact, they are the same noun. They've just been inflected. It's been inflected into the case-appropriate form. Now in this case, the nouns have been inflected to show that the noun is either a subject or an object of a sentence. Now this noun inflection only occurs when there is a subject and an object in the sentence, not when there is only a subject. You can't have a sentence with only an object. Now you must be curious about how to inflect the nouns into their case-appropriate form. If the word is a subject, if the word ends in a vowel, you add an L to the end of it. Now if the noun ends in a consonant, you add an accented I and an L to the end of it. Now if the sentence is the object of the sentence, keep in mind that this is the accusative object of the sentence, not the dative object. We're going to learn about that later. If the noun ends in a vowel, then you add a T with an optional I. Now if the noun ends in a consonant, you add an IT to the end of it. This noun inflection can be demonstrated in the following sentences. Palulukanil ueti yom. The thanator eats me. Oel palulukanit yom. I eat the thanator. Technically impossible, but used for educational purposes, I guess. Now translate the following into English. I will give you 15 seconds to answer these questions. And in case you're wondering about the answers to the first lesson's questions, here they are. Number 1 was I am human. Number 2 was you are a human and you are not a Navi. Number 3 was he is also not a human. And congratulations folks, you have completed the second lesson of the tutorial. Thank you very much for watching.